My dear followers, in today's video I'm gonna help you a lot how to remove your problematic stick joints. For everyone that have pain, swelling, stiffness, inflammation in the knee, hip, maybe in the spine or whatever joint that is a problem, this recipe is gonna help you a lot. This is classic Ayurveda turmeric paste that can be used to make golden milk, a warm, healing beverage with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Golden milk originated in India and has been used to support the body and the mind. In today's busy world, creating this recipe maybe take a bit of time, so it's a good idea to make the paste in advance. It is traditionally mixed by mixturing turmeric and the ghee, and it can be stored in your refrigerator until you are ready to make a golden milk. Turmeric can help reduce pain, swelling and arthritis in patients, and clove contains eugenol, an anti-inflammatory chemical that interferes with the processes that triggers arthritis pain. And right now I'm gonna give you my special remedies for this special paste that is gonna be about for 50 serving, and you're gonna be delighted how you will in easiest way get this turmeric golden milk arthritis pain. For the turmeric paste, ingredients are 1/2 cup of ground turmeric, 1 to 1.5 cup of water, plus more as is needed, 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ground cardamom, 1.5 teaspoons ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves, 1 teaspoon ground nutmeg, pinch Himalayan salt, 1/2 cup of ghee or coconut oil as a vegan option. So if you cannot find this ghee, you can always mix it or replace it with the organic coconut oil. It's going to be perfect for your health. So you have those 7 or 8 ingredients, and we're going to put all of this in one special jar. For the golden milk, you need 1 cup of coconut milk or a nut milk of choice, 2 teaspoons of turmeric paste, raw honey, coconut sugar, stevia or another sweetener of your choice for sweetening. To make turmeric paste, put the ground turmeric and water in a small saucepan over medium-low heat, stirring constantly. Keep stirring for a few minutes until the mixture has reached a paste-like consistency. Use more or less water depending on how thin or thick you prefer the paste. Slowly stir in the pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, cloves, nutmeg and the salt. Add the ghee and or coconut oil and mix thoroughly. While the paste is still warm and runny, pour into labeled glass container, let it cool, then cover and refrigerate. The mixture will be thickened as it cools. It may be stored in the refrigerator up to 3 weeks to make golden milk. Right now you have prepared a perfect turmeric paste with much of perfect spices. All you need to do each day, you gonna on the lower heat add 200 milliliters of organic milk or coconut milk or any kind of desired milk that you want, but always must be organic produce, and add to the warm milk 1 to 2 small tablespoons of this special paste. Mix it well together and drink it 1 cup each day. You can drink it each day for 15 days in a row. After that, you make 15 days of the rest period, and you can always this procedure make another time and most of the year, and it is going to help you a lot, because in this paste you have turmeric, nutmeg, cardamom and much more that are going to help you for your problems in your joints. Pain, stiffness, swelling, inflammation is going to go away in special natural way. If you have any kind of suggestion how you treat inflammatory joints, please comment below. For everyone that wants to learn a lot more about the natural remedies that can help your sick joints, click on this window right here. This is a small window. You click it over there and you will open it a lot more my videos about natural remedies that can help your sick joints in a very natural way. That was I was making in the last 5 years. Thank you for following me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.